VCarve Pro job setup. Quick walkthrough. All right, so let's get started here. First thing we're going to do is set up our job. For this project, we're working with a 10 by 10 inch piece. So I'll just type in 10 inches by 10 inches for our width and height. And our material is 1.5 inches thick. So we'll put that in 2. Now from here, we're going to set this up as a single-sided project. You'll have the option to set your Z0 position at either the top or the bottom of your material. For this one, I'm going to choose material surface. If you're doing any V carving, I'd really recommend going with material surface. It just gives you a more accurate depth of cut. Next up is the XY datum position. I like to set mine in the lower left corner. That's just my personal preference, but you can place it wherever works best for you and your machine setup. And lastly, since we'll be doing some 3D modeling later on in this project, I'm going to bump the modeling resolution up to high. That'll give us nice, smooth detail when we get to that step. And that's it. That's our job setup done. Click OK, and we're ready to move on to the next step.